What up, guys? Sanctuary Islands here.
Hi.
How are you going out there? Hope everyone's going well. It's a very hard day here in Perth today. It's like sweltering 39 degrees.
I'm sure everyone in the US is winter.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Anyway, today we've got a special unboxing video for you guys. We've actually bought ourselves an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I'm sure everybody out there has seen unboxing videos, but we've got our unboxing video, so we've decided to get in on the action as well. So, here's the 256 gig version, Space Grey. Now, of course, you've got other colours. You've got your gold.
You got your silver.
And you got your midnight green. Now, of course, the one we bought is Space Grey, so we'll have a look at it now. And there you go, guys. You can have a look at the back with the three cameras, which do the different types of zoom. The wide, the ultra wide, the normal wide.
Is telephoto.
Telephoto.
Wide.
Ultra. And ultra wide. Right, there you go. I think I'm pointing to the right ones, but we'll soon find out. So if we look at the phone on the front, it looks just like your everyday XS Max or even your XR. But of course, this is the Max Pro, which means it's bigger at 6.5 inch. Of course, the customary guard that's inside the box. You've got your charger there, you've got your headphones, and of course you've got your power cable, which is a different connector.
Yep. And it's
Funny enough,
it's big enough as well.
Yeah, look at that connector there. It looks very, very weird. Don't know what Apple's trying to do there. I think they're really trying to break up the market so that everything's unique, which we already know that anyway, but it doesn't matter. So I've also decided to buy myself a cover, and this is the cover that I've got. It's from Signet, and we have a look there, and it's basically leather, or fake leather really, and that's what it looks like on the back. You can put your credit cards and that sort of stuff, money, and the phone of course, and close it up. Do you like to say something?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna be getting this phone in about the beginning of next year, so it's gonna be a surprise colour. So I'm not gonna tell you anything.
That's right. So probably stay tuned for that one. But by then, I'm sure that every man, woman, and child and dog will probably have this phone anyway. So don't be alarmed if you see a certain character in one of our videos using this exact phone. Look, I think with regards to reviewing this phone, I haven't turned it on yet, but I will soon. I think it looks like a great phone. It's nice and heavy.
I think we'd give it a 12 out of 12.
12 out of 12. Well, okay, it's a pretty big score. But you know, everything's great. It looks very, very good on the phone. Hope you guys, if you haven't already bought it, let us know in the comments below what you think. If you haven't bought it, let us know if you're intending to buy it, and you know, we'll see if we can draw up some excitement on that.
Yeah.
So please leave a like, comment, also subscribe, and check out our other videos if you enjoyed this video. So we'll see you next time.